Folks, if you've been following the AI space lately, you've probably noticed how fast agent-based systems are taking over. Everyone talks about AI agents, but building them properly, with real logic, workflows, and automation, is still a challenge. Recently, I've been testing a platform that's designed exactly for this purpose. It's called Astron by Tech, and it's an open-source, enterprise-grade platform for building workflows. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you how this tool works in practice. We'll walk through the interface, build a simple workflow step by step, and talk about why this platform is a strong choice for developers and teams working with AI automation. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Alright friends, let's start with what Astron Agent actually is. Astron Agent is an open-source, enterprise-grade platform for building, orchestrating, and managing AI agent workflows. It's designed for production use and supports complex logic, multi-step workflows, long-running tasks, and real-world automation. What makes this tool different is that it's not just about generating text. The platform combines AI workflow orchestration, large model management, tool integration, RPA automation, and team collaboration in one system. Folks, this platform is built on the same core technology as the Tech Astron Agent platform, which means it's designed with stability and enterprise reliability in mind. It also integrates directly with intelligent RPA, allowing assistants to interact with internal and external systems. This enables a full loop from decision-making to real action. On top of that, this platform is released under the Apache 2.0 license. That means it's business-friendly, fully open source, and free to use even in commercial projects. Alright folks, let's jump into the platform and see how everything works in practice. Here, I am creating a new agent. Astron gives us three options: creation prompt, creation workflow, and voice virtual creations. Our goal is workflow creation, because this allows us to build structured logic instead of a simple prompt. I select creation, then custom creation, and now we're inside the visual workflow builder. Here we can see the main elements: agent user input, the agent itself, and the output. Agent user input is what the user types in, and output is what the user will finally see. On the canvas, we can place many different nodes between input and output. Guys, everything here is node-based. We can add new nodes, connect them visually, and control how data flows through the workflow. You can see a wide selection of nodes available here: text processing, variable extractor, logic nodes, tool and tool workflow nodes, and you can even connect a database or a knowledge base to your agent. For this example, I'll keep the workflow simple and use a large model node as the core logic. I connect agent user input to the large model and then connect the large model to the output. Now mates, let's configure it. First of all, inside the large model node, we need to select a model from the list of available models on the platform. Next, we configure the input. The input is agent user input as a string. This is exactly what the user enters. We define this variable manually so the model knows what data it receives. After that, friends, we configure the system prompt, where we describe who this agent is and what it's supposed to do. In the user prompt field, we pass the agent user input variable, so the model receives the actual request from the user. The output of the large model is a string, and this output is passed directly to the output node. Here we configure the output format and return the configured model answer. At this point, the output node uses the large model output as its input, because they are directly connected. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, when everything is configured correctly and we don't see any errors, we can click Debug and test the agent. For example, I send a simple message. We can see that all nodes turn green. The run is completed successfully. We can see how long each node took to execute. And finally, folks, we get the agent's response. From here, we can continue testing the agent, or publish it to the Agent Hub, or expose it via SAPI. After publishing, we see Submit Success, which means the release was successful. So just like that, we've built and configured a workflow-based agent using a large model inside Astron agent. And mates, this example is intentionally simple, but Astron agent is built for much more advanced scenarios. You can create workflows with branching logic, conditional paths, loops, and integrations with external services. You can even embed one workflow inside another one. Folks, it's possible to connect databases, build knowledge bases, create question and answer chains, embed custom code, and design complex decision and iteration logic. Inside the platform, you can also see a list of all the agents you've created. Additionally, Astron supports plugins, including Square's plugins, and the marketplace where you can connect extra functionality directly to your assistants. Now, mates, let's talk about where to get Astron Agent and how to install it. Astron Agent is fully open source and available on GitHub under the Apache 2.0 license. This means you can use it for free, even in commercial environments. The documentation shows two main deployment options. Docker Compose is recommended for a quick start, while Kubernetes with Helm charts is intended for production use. For local testing, all you need to do is clone the repository and configure the environment variables. After starting the services, the platform becomes available on localhost, just like you see here. From that point, you can immediately start building and testing your own AI agents. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Astron Agent is a powerful enterprise platform for building AI agents with real workflows and real automation. It offers a visual workflow builder with a wide range of ready-to-use nodes, from simple large model integrations to complex branching logic. Guys, one of the biggest strengths here is RPA integration. Your assistants don't just generate responses, they can perform real actions, interact with applications, and automate business processes from start to finish. On top of that, mates, this platform is completely open source under the Apache 2.0 license. You can deploy it on your own infrastructure, customize it for your needs, and use it in commercial projects without restrictions. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.